Welcome to our guide on great flooring options that can elevate your luxury space and enhance your quality of life. The right flooring not only sets the tone for your home, but also serves as a foundation for elegance and functionality. Let's explore some stunning choices that can transform your living areas into show-stopping pieces. Hardwood flooring is a timeless classic that adds warmth and sophistication to any room. Ideal for living areas and bedrooms, hardwood provides durability while offering a touch of elegance. Its natural beauty enhances the overall aesthetic, making it a staple in luxury design. Ceramic tiles are perfect for areas that require both style and practicality. Their water resistance and durability make them an excellent choice for kitchens and bathrooms. Plus, with an array of colors and patterns available, ceramic tiles can create striking designs that serve as show-stopping focal points in your home. And let's not forget about the impact of a stunning backsplash. It's the perfect opportunity to incorporate tile that complements your flooring while adding character to your kitchen. A well-designed backsplash can serve as a show-stopping piece, enhancing your cooking space and making it a joy to spend time in. Natural stone tiles, such as marble or granite, bring an unmatched level of luxury to any space. Best suited for bathrooms and entryways, these tiles not only look stunning, but also provide exceptional durability and resistance to wear. The unique veining and textures of stone tiles add character and sophistication, elevating your quality of life. For those seeking a budget-friendly yet stylish option, luxury vinyl planks offer the perfect solution. They mimic the appearance of hardwood or stone while being resistant to moisture and scratches, making them ideal for high-traffic areas like hallways and living rooms. This functionality ensures that your luxury space remains both beautiful and practical. By selecting the right flooring options, you can create an elegant environment that reflects your personal style and enhances your overall quality of life. Invest in materials that not only elevate the beauty of your home, but also provide the functionality you need for everyday living. For more information, you can visit our website at hdcbuild.com.